Wuhan Lansong Technology Company Limited is a well-known enterprise that manufactures CNC cutting machines. With a dozen of intellectual properties and patent technologies, we have mastered and innovated various advanced technologies. We have gantry, portable, cantilever, and table-type D-pipe profile cutting machine for users to choose. The most prominent features of our machines are easy operation and maintenance, stable and reliable quality, and cost-effective. Our machines are praised by users at home and abroad and have been exported to Germany, Britain, Russia, India, Australia, Malaysia, and other countries. Now you are watching our machine working at a Russian factory. This is already their third order. Their consistent evaluations are easy operation, stable performance, and high performance-price ratio. Dedicated to forging the most cost-effective quality machines, Lansong is now extending all over China and the whole world. We warmly welcome you to visit our website www.lansongcnc.cn to know more about Lansong. Or you can search CNC cutting machine through search engines such as Baidu and Google. We welcome your visit for inspection. Providing superior product and first-class service, Wuhan Lansong are willing to build a long-term business relationship with you on the basis of honesty and credibility and mutual benefit.